BC First Nations have really come together as a people that have been colonized over the years and divided up into 203 Indian bands under the Federal Indian Act. We now come together under one umbrella to work towards a better health and wellness for all of our people in the province of British Columbia. And the governance structure that we put in place really gives control back to us as First Nations people to design and deliver the kinds of programs and services that will meet our needs, which I think is really important. And we also have had a great opportunity now to have a health partnership with the province of British Columbia, which is the main service provider in British Columbia for health services, to help leverage their supports and to help them do a better job in providing health services to our people. The key factors that have contributed to our success have been, I think, first and foremost, the willingness of our leadership to work together. Secondly, I think that our people now have embraced the notion that we do own our own health and wellness journey, and that for us to be successful and to have healthy lives, that we can really take control of that ourselves. And that's really different from a place where a lot of people and communities have learned to be dependent on the federal government to take care of their issues, as it was promised in terms of creating the Indian Reserves in the first place. I think what the Australians can learn from our situation is that it really is about ensuring that the voice of the Indigenous people are heard and they're validated, that they are real and that they have the right to make those decisions for themselves. And without that, it's just the system doing to Indigenous people as opposed to Indigenous people being part of the solution. I think the benefit of a conference like this, bringing together all of those people, is that we have a chance to hear from different perspectives. And I think what's really important is to understand that to learn and make improvements, sometimes we have to learn to see things in a different way. So if we only come at it from our own cultural lens and are closed to everything else, then we're always going to see things the same way. And these kinds of international opportunities allow us to learn from others and recognize that maybe the way that we look at the world isn't the only way that we should be looking at it.